Hi, today I'm bringing you a bit of magic mail with this Marvel fairy tale fashion fix box from the Disney Fashionista. This Marvel fairy tale fashion fix box sells for $39 plus shipping. I believe it was $49 total for my location, and it has a retail value of $70. This is the first time that I've ever purchased a mystery box where I didn't know what was inside. Normally, I like to know the contents of what I'm purchasing. I really want to make sure that I'm getting my money's worth or getting, something that I really want as opposed to just anything. But I was really excited about this because first of all, it's Marvel. I love Marvel. And second, it's from the Disney Fashionista. And I absolutely trust everything that she does. She has an amazing set of fashion and accessories and all kinds of things that she finds for you. You don't have to go hunting for all of your Disney or Marvel fashion accessories because she finds it, and she really finds everything. You sometimes have to use a little restraint when you're looking at her information. I'm going to put all of her information below. You definitely, if you're not following Disney Fashionista, you definitely want to be following Disney Fashionista. And I can't say enough good things about her. So let's see what I got in the box. First of all, I do want to say that it's very well packaged. It's a very thick box. It did not come damaged at all. So I'm kind of excited about that. I hate when you order something and the box is all smashed in. I'm talking to you, Amazon, but this came perfect. So let's take a look. Oh, first of all, love the packaging. I don't know. Presentation is everything. I love this packaging. It comes with a card. It says, Disney Fashionista presents Fairy Tale Fashion Fix. This month's theme is Marvel. And it also includes the contents. So I just took a little brief look at the contents, but I am going to set the card aside for now so I can take a look inside. All right. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely right up my alley. Set this box over here. It is a Marvel wallet. And it's a Loungefly. I love wallets. I have a whole bunch of different types of wallets, Disney wallets, and this fits right in with my collection without even being handpicked for me. So this is perfect. I love this. I love these small wallets from Loungefly. I think I have 4 now. I have a Rapunzel one, a Tiki Room one, and a Mickey Mouse one, and now this one. I think that's all I have. But because they're kind of compact, you could just take the wallet itself and not take a whole purse. Love this. Okay, first of all, that's a win by itself. Usually, and I'll look at the card in a second, but usually those are around $40 by themselves, so that's pretty cool. All right, it's a necklace from Etsy. I keep moving the box, but it is gonna have to stay over there. Let's see. All right, this is from Divine Vibes Boutique, and I will also put their information. I'll put Disney Fashionista in the comments. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. This is like very cute. Definitely something I would wear. So I like when you can accessorize just a little bit and not have to go full on anything. Although I do sometimes go full on, but I really like that. It's a nice little hint. Oh, okay. These are from Kiara's ears. I will take them out because you can't really see them. Whoa, look at that. Spider-Man. This kind of goes with the shirt I'm wearing. I'm wearing a Marvel Day at Sea cruise shirt. By the way, do the Marvel Day at Sea if you're a Marvel fan. And this would be nice to go back to a Marvel Day at Sea and wear. These are very nice ears. These are very well made. They're heavy, but not like too heavy, like where you wouldn't want to wear them on your head. They feel very comfortable. And they fit like nice. They're not sliding off or anything. I really like those. I'm not like a huge ear person. I do have some ears. My daughter is the ear person, so might have to send these down to her. I really like these. They're nice. So three things in the Fashionista Fairy Tale Fix box. So we got, just a recap, the Marvel Loungefly. That is a $40 retail value by itself. I do buy Loungefly wallets. I can vouch for that. They're usually around $40. So that by itself is the box. I mean, like that covers the cost of the box. So that's like, everything else is bonus if you're considering what I spend my money on. So that's really cool. The necklace valued at $14, and I think that's really cute. I really like that. It's a nice little accessory that you can wear it can just have a little hint of Marvel if you want in your everyday wardrobe, or you can add it as an accessory if you went head to toe Marvel. That would be a perfect accessory. And then the ears have a $25 retail value. So that is also really nice. And they're very well made. So if I'm comparing these to Disney ears, these definitely are, I would say, match up. Very, very well made. These are, I wish I could make my my own ears this well. I have made ears before. These are very well made. They don't even look like they're from a handmade shop. They look professionally done. So definitely really happy with this box. I'm like really glad that I got it. I definitely would say if you're interested in a surprise Magic Mail box and are open to not knowing what's inside, but maybe knowing the theme, because that is helpful if you know the theme. And I would say definitely follow the Disney Fashionista. She has a subscription, but I believe there's a wait list right now for the subscription. So if you're looking for a monthly, she does have a wait list. But this one I happened to snag. It was a little additional box that she was doing for March, and I happened to snag it, and I am definitely very glad I did. I don't know if she has any more of this box left or not, but I mean, April's right around the corner, so maybe you'll get a box in April. Let me know if you have ever gotten a piece of Magic Mail where you didn't know what the contents were and you were also pleasantly surprised. Please put that into the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.